Welcome to Best Buy Invention Gadgets. Today's video is about Google new mobile phone. Google Pixel 5a 5G, and it comes with the same design as the Pixel 4a 5G. The phone is powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC paired with the Adreno 620 GPU. It is IP67 water and dust resistant. Google Pixel 5a 5G summary. On August 17, 2021, Google released the Pixel 5a 5G mobile. The phone has a 6.34-inch touchscreen display with 1080x2400 pixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The Google Pixel 5a 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 5a 5G Android 11 is powered by a 4680 mAh battery. Google Pixel 5a 5G supports proprietary fast charging. The Google Pixel 5a 5G is based on Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. It came out mostly in black. Connectivity options on the Google Pixel 5a 5G include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, and USB Type-C. The phone's sensors include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, compass/magnetometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. As for the cameras, the Google Pixel 5a 5G on the back has a 12.2 megapixel primary camera with AF/1.7 aperture and a 16 megapixel camera with f/2.2 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. The front has an 8 megapixel camera for selfies with an f/2.0 aperture. The phone arrives on August 26 and includes IP67 water resistance, a powerful battery, the Pixel's dual camera system. You can now pre-order for $449.